Good morning, students. Yes, students. Today we are starting a new topic that is Unit 10, decimals. So, what are decimal numbers? Before discussing decimal numbers, first we'll know what are decimal fractions. First, we will discuss what are decimal fractions. Yes, students. The fraction in which the denominators are 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. These are known as decimal fractions. First, we'll discuss what are decimal fractions. Yes, friends, the fractions in which the denominator is 10, 100, 10,000. So these numbers are known as decimal fractions. For example, so these are decimal fractions. Now, students, to more explain, first we will divide a figure with in 10 equal parts. Now, draw a figure and divide it into 10 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now our figure is divided into 10 equal parts. Now shade only one part. Now write this number, write this part as a fraction. So total parts are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total parts are 10 and shaded part is only 1. So write as a fraction, the number will be 1 upon 10. The fraction of this figure is 1 upon 10. Now students, write 1 upon 10 in decimal form. Write 1 upon 10 as a decimal form. As you see, in denominator we have only 1 0. So we'll write as 1.0. We'll write this number in the form of decimal numbers. So we'll write as 0.1. So 0.1, this is a decimal number. Okay, students. Now shade any three parts. The fraction will be 3 upon 10. Now write 3 upon 10 in decimal form will be 0.3. 0.3 because so 0.1, 0.3, 1.5, 24.7, these all are decimal numbers. Clear, students? Now, students, we will discuss few questions of exercise 39. Exercise 39. Your first question is, write each of the following as a decimal. Write as a decimal. Now students, your first is part A, 5/10. Your first question, part A, your statement is 5/10. Now write 5/10 in decimal form. Decimal number. Yes, students. Now you can see our numerator is 5 and denominator is 10. And in denominator we have only 1 0. 10, 1 0. So we write as 5, then point. If we have 1 0, so put decimal point after one digit from right hand side. So number is 5 point. So number is 0.5. Clear, students? Next is B part, 4/100. Now students, 4/100. Now our numerator is 4 and the denominator is 100. Now in denominator we have 2 0. So we will put decimal after 2 digits. After 2 digits we will put point, but in a numerator we have only one digit, that is 4. So we write as 4, then 0. 1 2. We have 2 0. 1 2. So count from right hand side. 1 2. Now put here point. Here we write 0. Your answer is 0.04. 4/100, right? As a decimal number, that is 0.04. Because in denominator we have 2 0. In 100 we have 2 0. So put decimal after 2 digits from right hand side. 1 2. We have only 1 4, so put here 0. 4 0.0. So 4/100 decimal number is 0.04. Clear, students? Next is C part, 29/100. 29/100. Now write this number as a decimal number. Numerator is 29 and denominator is 100. So in 100 we have 2 0. So we'll put decimal after 2 digits from right hand side. 9 2 1 2. Now put here 1 0. So your answer is 0.29. 0.29. Next is part D. 60/100. Now numerator is 60 and denominator is 100. So again we'll put point after 2 digits. 1 2, then point. 0 6 1 2 point 0. So your answer is 0.60. Part E, 743 upon 1000. Now students, numerator is 743 and denominator is 1000, means 30. So we'll put decimal after 3 digits because in 1000 we have 30. 1, 2, 3. Now put 1, 2, 3. Put your point. So your answer is 3, 4, 7. 1, 2, 3. Next is F part. 8000 upon 1000. Now numerator is 800 and denominator is 1000. With 30, 1, 2, 3. So put point after 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. Then point. 0, 0, 8. Point 0. Yes, friends. So in first question, we converting fraction number as a decimal numbers. Next is part G. 17 upon 1000. 17 upon 1000. Now students, numerator is 17 and denominator is 1000. In denominator we have 30. So we will put decimal after 3 digits. But in numerator we have only 2 digits, 7 and 1. In denominator students we have 30. 1, 2, 3. So we'll put decimal after 3 digits. But in numerator we have only 2 digits, 7 and 1. So we'll write as 7, 1, then 0. 1, 2, 3. Now put decimal. So your answer is 0.017. Clear, students? Next is part H. 3 upon 1000. Numerator is 3 and denominator is 1000. So in 1000 we have 30, but in numerator we have only 1 digit, that is 3. So in denominator we have 30. So we will put decimal after 3 digits. So we'll write as 3, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3. Now 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now put a point and write. So your answer is 0.003. Clear, students? So this is the first question of exercise 39. Next is second question. Your second question is write as a fraction. Now your numbers are in decimal numbers. Now convert these decimal numbers as a fraction number. Second question. Write as a fraction. Write as a fraction. Your first number is 0.6. 0.6. Yes, students, 0.6. This is a decimal number. Now convert this number as a fraction. So after decimal, we have only one digit. This is decimal, only one digit, 6. So we'll write as 6 upon 10. After decimal, we have only one digit. So we'll write denominator 10. So number is 6 upon 10. Zero 0.6. The fraction number is upon 10. Next is part B, 0.02. 0.02. Now, count after decimal. How many digits are there? This is decimal. 1, 2. 2 digits are there, 0 and 2. So we'll write denominator as 100. Because here we have 2 digits, 0 and 2. So we'll write as 2 upon 100. 2 upon 100. Clear, students? Next is C part, 0.16. 0.16. After decimal, we have 2 digits, 1 and 6. 1, 2. So write this number as a fraction. We'll write denominator 100 because after decimal we have 2 digits, 1, 2. So number is 16 upon 100. Next is D part, 0.009. Now write this decimal number as a fraction. Yes, students, write this decimal number as a fraction. Now after decimal, count the digits. 009. We have 3 digits. After decimal, 0.009. We have 3 digits, so we'll write denominator 1000. So answer is 9 upon 1000. Next is part E, 0.053. 0.053. Now, after decimal, we have 3 digits, 0, 5, and 3. So we'll write denominator 1000. So number is 53 upon 1000. Next is part F, 0.108. 0.108. Now, students, after decimal, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. 1, 0, and 8. 3 digits are. So we write denominator 1000. So our fraction number is 108 upon 1000. After decimal, we have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. 1000. So number is 108 upon 1000. Next is part G, 0.754. 754. 0.754. After decimal, we have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So write denominator 1000. Numerator will be 7054 and denominator is 1000. So number is 754 upon 1000. Next is part H, 0.910. 0.910. 910. After decimal, we have 3 digits, 9, 1, and 0. 3. So number is 910 upon 1000. Yes, friends. So second question. In this question, we convert decimal numbers in fraction numbers. Dear students, next is third question, exercise 39, third question. Yes, students, your third question is write the number name of each of the followings. Write the number name. Now we'll write decimal numbers in words. Write the number name. First number is 0.1. Part A. 0.1. Now write in words 0, 0.1. 0.1. Next is part B, 0.01. 0.01. 0.01. Next is part C, 1.1, 1.013. C part. 1.013. Next is part B, 12.608. 12 point, this number is 12.608. 608. Next is part E, 106.36. Now your number is 106.36. Six point 36. Part is 106.36. Part F, 13.97. 13.97. Next is part G, 613.8. 613.8. 13.8. And last part H. Part H, 217.503. Now students, write in words 217 3. Yes, friends, this is last part of third question. So students, in this lecture, we'll discuss what are fraction decimal, what are fraction numbers, how we can convert a fraction number as a decimal number, and how we can convert a decimal number as a fraction number. Next, in third question, we'll discuss how we can write these numbers in words, how we can write these decimal numbers in words. So students, today your homework is complete question first, second and third in your fair notebooks. Thank you. Have a nice day.